we'll guide you through how to connect Claude to GitHub. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the GitHub website. Log into your GitHub account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on Developer Settings located in the left-hand sidebar. Now, under the Developer Settings, click on Personal Access Tokens, then select Tokens Classic. Here, you'll generate a new token by clicking the Generate New Token button. You can give your new token a descriptive name, like Claude Integration, and be sure to select the appropriate scopes that you need Claude to access, such as Repo for repository access. Once you've selected the necessary scopes, click the Generate Token button at the bottom. Make sure to copy this token immediately, as it will not be displayed again. Now, head over to the Claude integration settings, which you can find in the Claude dashboard. You'll typically find an option to connect external services or enter a GitHub token. Paste your GitHub token into the appropriate field in Claude settings to establish the connection. After pasting the token, confirm the setup and check to ensure the integration is successful. You can verify this by testing out a simple command or action within Claude that interacts with your GitHub repositories. And that's it, you're connected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.